Alright guys, we made it in last night around 2:30. Car made it here safe, trailer made it here safe. Everything is good. But Dad has the idea of getting an air compressor separate to run our jacks because our air compressor in the trailer is starting to die. So we are here at the Home Depot to get an air compressor. Got another fellow race weaker. Made it through tech.
Yeah, we did. Good to go.
Good to go. Taking a little quick drive down the track. And then we are going to go get our paperwork and then do a little work on the car. Maybe get our air compressor put in here. Just a few little things got to do. You ready? Alrighty guys, got the wagon out here. We're going to do the same plan we had going on 1.0, which is I'm going to make my run first, get it out of the way. Hopefully I can go down there and just make an A to B pass, be one and done on my side of the things. But as you guys remember, junior street class starts out as basically you set your time to dial in. So I have to set my time to dial in today. Hopefully it's a low 9 just because it'll be easy to do. I'm the CEO now.
What did you say about pace cars earlier?
Oh, dang, pace cars freaking bothering drag racing.
Yep.
So I went a little bit too fast on that last pass. It's not a pass that we can turn in at 892. We're going to go ahead and switch the car over from my racing mode to Dad's. Go get Dad his passes. Hopefully just go A to B. It's pretty fast. We get a feel for the car. Then we'll put me back in it after that. And we'll actually make a real pass. So that's the plan. See how it happens. Alrighty guys, got the car up here, just set the tires. Firing 2 stages today. See what happens. Should be pretty rowdy. Yeah! 10:17, 135. Woo! Dad.
That'll get it, huh?
10:17?
10:17.
It's Tommy. But Adam, how can you tell? Well, Blaine does burnouts like that too, but that's a Tommy burnout. Maybe not. Is it Blaine? That's Blaine. Doing some Tommy burnout stuff. That's what I'm talking about. The 55, looking for a 9 flat. Only has one slip he can turn in, and it's way, way slower than that. That thing kind of puffed and puffed and did all sorts of crazy stuff. But Blaine looking to put it on 9.0 or thereabouts. Junior Street. And he goes on the button. 9:02, 69 miles an hour. That is what I'm talking about. After kind of huffing and puffing and going like 850s and all kinds of stuff like that, then goes out and puts like 14 second eighth mile up, goes 9:02, 69 miles an hour, and the Starks go wild.
Finally got the pass. 9:02 at 69. Finally. You guys, we're gonna get this whole hot rod changed over. Throw you in a quick time lapse. Let's get this thing changed over.